we're gonna make a fun little garland. I'm just gonna use some cute jute string. I found some of these yarn puff balls at the dollar store, and I'm gonna add some of the glue, and then I'm just gonna add the jute string, push the puff ball together, and that way it will stay on the jute string easier.
And these were like $10 when we went in the Valentine's Day section at Hobby Lobby, and this is costing Channing nothing because she already had this.
Another fun little craft item that I found at the dollar store were these drink stirrers. If you take just about 3 of them, put them together, you can use some floral wire and twist it around. I'll show you how we will add them to our tree in just a little bit. So we found this mailbox, actually a cardboard mailbox. I take some white pipe cleaners, and I'm just gonna add some hot glue to the bottom, add them on, and then I'll show you, we're gonna add some glue over the top of it, and then that way it secures and stays on really well. We're gonna let this dry for just a second. The thread from the front to the back so that way you don't see thread over the front, and then that way it'll be able to stay on the string, the ribbon, just like that. But look how fun this is.
Oh my gosh, super cute.
All right, my last project. Found this cardboard glove. I'm going to use just some pink paint. Now that we have our love sign painted, we're adding glitter. So we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna take all of these fun things and we're gonna add them to our tree. As you can see, I still have some red and white ornaments from Christmas that I've added to this tree. We went ahead and put the mailbox on, and as you can see, we hot glued the garland up top there, and I'm gonna put this cute little heart from one of the picks over it. And then we just let our little hearts fall down so they look like they're all pouring out of the mailbox. Next, we're gonna add this fun little sign that I got from the dollar store. When you add big pieces, it gives you something to draw your eye to. It adds fullness to the tree. I also have this really cute, I already had this at home. This is where I shop from home. I have this cute little sign. I'm gonna add it in over here. There it is. Look how cute. We're gonna add our fun glittery love sign. Another thing you wanna do is add lots of texture. So ribbon will do that for you. All right, so once we got our tree fully decorated, we realized we wanted our hearts coming out of the mailbox to be a little more full. So I took my hot glue gun and some of the doilies and I just glued them in where I wanted, and I am obsessed with how it turned out. See, I also added in a few pieces of tulle just to take the tree over the top, and I think it's perfect. My girls are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy transforming your Christmas tree as much as I did, and I can't wait to see you at my next episode.